What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Realme 6, Realme 6 Pro or any of the Realme smartphones. So let's start it. So the very first one is the combination of the power key and the volume down key. For example, if I want to take a screenshot of this home screen, then all I have to do is press the power key and the volume down key together at the very same time like this. And you can see that a screenshot is captured here. If you go to the gallery, here you can see this is the screenshot that I have just captured. It's an image, as you can see here. If you want, you can even do some editing on it. You can crop it, you can do whatever you like because it's just an image. So this is the method number one to take a screenshot on your Realme 6 or 6 Pro smartphone. If you go to the albums, here you will see a dedicated folder called screenshot. So whatever screenshot you are going to take on your device, you will find in this folder. Let's go back from here, and now method number two. So if you have the side widget activated on your Realme smartphone, then here you can see that we got one option called screenshot at the very top. If it is not there by default, then what you can do, you can tap on edit and then you can just select the option from here. You can see it's blurred out because I have already selected the screenshot option for my widget. So once you open this widget and you find all of these options, all you have to do is just tap on screenshot option here. And here we go. So once again the screenshot is captured. So this is the method number two. And now we are going to talk about the other three methods. So those are gesture based methods. So first of all, you have to make sure that those are activated. So first of all, go to the settings, and after that scroll down and go to the additional settings. Tap on this. Here you will find the option called screenshot. Tap on this, go down and make sure the last two options, 3-finger swipe down and 3-finger touch and hold, are activated. Move from here, go back, and once again go to the convenience tool, and here you will find gesture and motions. Tap on this, and then here you will find another option called 3-finger screenshot. So now you know that we got three options for taking a screenshot using the 3-finger screenshot. So I'm going to show all of these. So the very first one is using the 3 fingers. You just need to swipe down on the screen quickly and a screenshot will be captured like this. And here we go. So this is what we activated from the convenience tool. And now the other two methods. For example, if you want to take a screenshot of just a particular area of the screen, for example, just all of these widgets and app icons, so put your 3 fingers on the screen, don't move them, and once the screenshot is activated and a part of the screen is highlighted, then move your finger to the part up to which you would like to capture the screenshot. So let me show you how to do this. And you can see now the screenshot is activated, the background is blurred. Now just swipe down like this using 3 fingers and just stop wherever you want to stop. For example, go up to this or this and move your finger. So you can see now the screenshot is captured, but it is not saved like the previous three methods that we just did. So you have to either edit once again, or you can just cancel it or share with someone or tap on save. If you tap on edit, then you will get the option to crop and do whatever, and then it will be saved to your gallery. And now we are going to talk about the another method. So let's consider that you want to take a screenshot of multiple pages, for example of a website or any other screen. For example, the settings screen, you can see it's consisting of multiple pages, or if you go to any website, then there are lots of pages. So how to take a long screenshot on your Realme 6, Realme 6 Pro or any of the Realme smartphone? So the first method is that all you have to do, you just need to take a screenshot using any of the previous method except the 3-finger partial method, the last one, and then you have to use the preview option that's coming to take a long screenshot. For example, if I want to take a long screenshot of this, so just take a screenshot. I'm just going to use the power key and volume down key, the very first method. And once the screenshot is captured and the preview appears, if you move it up, then you can see that an option is coming here that is showing that long screenshot can be taken. And if you want to share the screenshot that you have captured, you can swipe down and you can see that the share icon is coming here, and if you go up, then the long screenshot is coming. So just go up and release, and after that you can see that it is showing swipe up to take a long screenshot. So if you swipe up, it will start taking a long screenshot of the whole page here. So just keep swiping up as long as you want, and you can just tap on done once you are really done. So if I just tap on done here, you can see this is the screenshot that I have just captured. It's a long screenshot, lots of pages. So this is how you can take a long screenshot. And now I'm going to show you the last 3-finger method that's specially designed and developed by Realme for a long screenshot. So once again, let's assume I want to take a screenshot of this page. So you have to put your 3 fingers on the screen one more time at the top of the page, and once the screenshot is activated, then just swipe down till the bottom of the page, and then the long screenshot option will be enabled by default. So you don't have to take a screenshot separately and then use the preview to activate the long screenshot. You can directly start the long screenshot using your 3 fingers in this method. So let me show you how to do this. And you can see that the long screenshot is activated, and I can just keep swiping down until I'm not done. So this is the bottom of the page. You can just tap on done, and here is the screenshot that we have just captured. So these are the methods that you can use on your Realme 6, Realme 6 Pro, or any of the Realme smartphone to take a screenshot on your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this one useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.